Okay, guys, we're watching The Courts by Jaguar Films. Short film that was just released last month, so we're gonna check it out. Oh, sorry, guys. um, we had a slight interruption here.
Uh,
I'm very sorry.
uh,
Uh,
hey, are you coming to the bonfire?
we're gonna get back to our reaction very soon. I'm very sorry about
Hey,
this.
you watching the NFL draft?
Sir, we can't show that. That's copyright. That's copyright, sir.
Hey,
I'm very sorry, guys.
what you doing?
I'm reacting.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
All
uh,
right.
I'm very sorry, guys. This is
Hey,
taking a while.
what channel is this gonna be on?
This is Z Food Review.
All right, shout out Jaguar Films.
Yeah, Jaguar Films. I'm watching your video.
All right.
Yeah. I'm very sorry, guys. We are back to our regular scheduled programming. Okay, I'm gonna have to kick you out of here if you don't leave.
All right, see you guys.
What is that?
I don't know.
Do you see anything? I can't believe this.
I'm gonna take a look.
Guys, that was crazy, guys. Oh, wow. That was crazy. Oh, we should watch Man in the Corner Booth. Actually, I'll make a separate video